of this game between Pure Foods and Air 21. Air 21 has been trailing for most of this evening, pero we've seen that they can come back even from a double-digit deficit very quickly. So tinan natin kung ano mangyayari. The fourth quarter will begin with Pure Foods up 6 points, 84-78. Ako po si Charlie Cuna. Together with me is Barry Pascua. Barry, how do you see Pure Foods maintaining and keeping this and getting a victory?
Oh, what's nice about Pure Foods is that yung locals na nagde-deliver dito, no? Hindi pagmagawa masyado ito si Reda Ralimi. So, kumbaga, hihintayin pa lang pumutok si Reda Ralimi, no? Parang meron pa silang isang sandatang nakatabi.
Pati nga si James Yap, 1 point na sa third quarter.
Yun na nga, diba? So, everything's going nice para sa panag ng Pure Foods. But you're right. We've seen a lot of games wherein yung kalaban itong 821, lamang ng double figures, pero 3 minutes, pak! Burado lahat no? Ito, makikita natin sa ating quarter scoring, ang Pure Foods is leading the way dito.
Ito si JC Intal, his first game of the conference, he's able to hit his first basket. So, he cuts the lead down to just 4. Itong field goal percentage natin, third quarter. The Express played extremely well as far as shooting is concerned in quarter number 3.
Kaya naman nakabawi sila dun no? They trailed by as many as 14 points, 43-29, but they made this contest very interesting.
The pass inside to Salvador, kicks it out to Simon. Simon's 3-point attempt doesn't go. Rebound taken by JC Intal. Intal, binabantayan ni Villanueva. Funny to see that dahil dati sila dalawa magka-tandem. And
malayo naman si Villanueva, ilang years
ahead din. Mga Atenista, former Ateneans. Ito si Homer Se. Takes the contact.
Sayang naman yun kung bakit naman kailangan pa
And he slammed into the defender, kaya naman siya natawagan ni Jess Ferrer ng offensive foul. Sayang talaga dahil what could have been a 3-point play results in nothing.
Parang unnecessary dahil doon naman sa kaliwa kukunin talaga.
Initiating the contact kasi yun yung doon para sa referee. That's what made him call that foul. So sayang, sorry play para kay Homer Se. Chico Lanete out to Simon, inside to Kirby Raimundo, who will retrieve. Peter Jun Simon does. They've got the numbers. Simon goes up, gets hit by Canaleta. No foul called. Egay Billones will go all the way. He misses. Homer Se fighting for it underneath. Goes up. Walang bola, walang tawag. Ito ang white shirts going the other way. Lanete drops it to Simon. Finally makes a basket after 2 successive plays of rough and tumble action.
Well, alam mo, itong 821 is several scoring opportunities but muffed them Put in the closer.
Buhay na buhay ang crowd natin dito dahil yung action talaga natin bakbakan.
And people really wanting it more.
Canaleta. Jumper from 19.
Nasa loob na niluluwa pa
Oo nga, may halong kamalasan na rin siguro.
Ito mga
players on the floor and ito ang Egay Billones. Let's see if he can beat everybody down.
What the heck?
But Homer Se was there to pick it up. And si Billones was too fast for himself, for his own good on that play. Naunahan nga niya yung kalaban pero hard off the glass naman yung kanyang layup.
Lost control of the ball doon sa layup na lang
Ako dyan palakpakan para kay Homer. Yan di ba? A big hand dahil ang ganda ng ginawa niya ron, trailing and making the foot back.
Oops, tumama na sa tuktok.
Ball goes the other way.